Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Microsoft Authenticator using cloud recovery step by step clearly. Open the Microsoft Authenticator app on your mobile device. Ensure you are signed in with your Microsoft account. Tap on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, find the Backup section. Enable the Cloud Backup toggle if it is not already on. Confirm that your backup is set to the correct Microsoft account. Now, go back to the main screen of the app. Tap on Accounts to view your stored accounts. Ensure all your accounts are visible and correctly set up for backup. To test the backup feature, you can also add a new account if desired. After adding, return to the Settings menu to confirm the backup is updated. For future reference, periodically check that the backup feature remains enabled. If you switch devices, install the Microsoft Authenticator app on your new device. Sign in with the same Microsoft account used for your backup. Follow the prompts to restore your account information from the cloud. Confirm that all your accounts are restored and functioning correctly. Finally, ensure you keep your Microsoft account secure for the backup to remain safe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.